Ron and Ethan are running in a race. Ron decides to let Ethan have a head start. So Ethan's y-intercept is, let's say, 20 feet ahead of the start line. Ethan runs as fast as he could, and his line looks like this. Ron starts his race at the beginning, so his y-intercept is here. But Ron runs a lot faster, so his line looks like this. The question is, when does Ron catch up to Ethan? Before we answer that question, we need to understand a few things. When two or more lines are in the same story, it is called a system of linear equations. Each line has its own equation, and the points on that line are solutions to that equation. But this point where the lines meet is going to be a solution to both equations. So to answer that question, when will Ron catch up to Ethan? We will have to look at the point where the lines meet. They meet right here at 8 seconds when both runners are at 32 feet. Ron catches up to Ethan in 8 seconds. So, what did we learn? A situation with more than one line is called a system of linear equations. The point where the lines meet is called the solution to the system. Now, let's practice what we just learned.